Force Reserve Command. Today I'm accompanied by Lieutenant Colonel Mike Stuker, helicopter pilot, Captain Mavro George, one of our 810 pilots from Moody, and Command Chief of the Air Force Reserve Command, Chief Israel Nunez. We represent the men and women that make up your United States Air Force combat search and rescue mission. The cruise and aircraft performing for us in today's combat rescue demonstration are A-10 Thunderbolts from the 74th Fighter Squadron at Moody Air Force Base, Georgia, an HC-130J Combat King, and HH-60G Payload helicopters from right here at sunny Patrick Space Force Base, Florida. Saving lives at the heart of everything we do. It doesn't matter if it's down F-22 pilot in Iraq, astronauts who have landed in the ocean, hurricane victims stranded on rooftops, or fishermen trapped aboard a sinking ship in the Atlantic. If combat rescue gets the call, these men and women will risk their lives and do what it takes to get them home to safety. In today's demonstration, we simulated that a fighter pilot has just bailed out over the ocean and landed in the water at Show Center. The A-10 you see out there, call sign Sandy, are right now establishing communication with the survivor. They're attempting to get eyes on the survivor and mark the exact location on the GPS to pass on to the rest of the rescue forces. They will also survey the surrounding area to identify any potential threats to include enemy forces, power lines, towers, and terrain. Additionally, they are assessing ideal locations to possibly insert pararescue teams and potential landing zones for helicopters. All this information is collected and transmitted in real time to all the other flags.
For the loud side and figure out which side I'm going to go to. If everybody's making noise, a lot of noise, he usually goes upside down for you. Let's see what he does. Here he comes down the runway, clicking into second gear. Wheel clicker, heater, both sides, going upside down and wheel clicker for you. Going down the runway. Right now, Brody's switching into second gear. He's situating his body. He'll grab a handful of throttle, hit the power band, 1